Hi everyone, it's Lou Collins. I'd love to go through two of the new products that are part of the Deep Blue collection from Textures. So this is the Layering Sea Creatures die set along with the paper pack as well. Now the paper pack is A4 sheets. Now I have personally inked and stamped and splattered these and then had them reproduced into beautiful A4 papers for you to use. So you've already got that distressing done on your backgrounds, on your die cut pieces and such there for you. So there's 24 sheets in total. As you can see, there's 6 designs on there, so you're going to get 4 of each of these. And I'd say they're a paper rather than a cardstock. They're thick paper. I'd say around about 190 GSM. So then we've got the 2 Layering Sea Creatures, and that's the whale. I've called him Wally the whale. I still need a name for the turtle though. Both super cute, really easy to put together, and because they are layering dies, you can change the colours, and they're perfect for using with this paper pad. So I've already die cut the elements from both the whale and the turtle using the dies here. You've got 6 dies in total, because for the turtle there's a few more. Sorry, there's 6 dies in total, but for the turtle, there's a few more pieces, but lots of the little pieces are on one piece, as you can see here, so you're not going to lose any bits. So let's start putting some of these together. Now I've cut the whale. You do get the whale silhouette first of all, which I think is absolutely perfect if you want to make a card with maybe an aperture inside it and a shaker element. And then you've got this piece. Now this piece kind of has either the highlights or the shadows, whichever way you want to look at it, cut out. So when you layer it on top of another coloured cardstock, you kind of have that detail around the edge already placed in. So to me it kind of looks as if it's been splashed with water. So I'm just going around with a fine tip applicator on the back of the top layer here. I've cut both of these using the papers from the paper pad, and this one is a little bit flimsy, so what I'd suggest is hold the tail and the body at the same time, and you'll notice it's exactly the same size and shape as the silhouette whale, so you can quite easily place this directly over the top, and there you see you've got all of your detail coming through. So let's just put this tail on, line that up as well. If you want to offset it slightly and have a little bit of a shadow, you can do that. I've just got my finger stuck because I've got glue on it. Lift up these pieces and glue those on. There we go. Perfect. So there is Wally the whale with all his detail. Any of the white areas will dry because that's just some glue seeping through. But there we've got a lovely fun whale that you can put onto lots of different projects. And then the turtle, like I say, the turtle is a little more layering to do because the shell has got a couple of different colours. So I've used green for the body of the turtle, and again, all using the paper pack that I've created for you with all those different sort of sea-like and beach-like colours in. So we've got the green for the body, we've got the orange for the shell. Now this is the underneath of the shell, so this is going to be the tummy as well, which is going to go just there. Just mind, again, sticky fingers, lifting pieces up. We've got a small piece here. There's a little triangle, and that just goes, it's just a little peak of the shell in this area as well. Pressing that there, and you can see already straight away starting to get your turtle come to life. Now we've also got the eye. Now the small eye piece, you can put something like googly eye on if you wanted to. This is on this plate here, so that's that kind of oval teardrop type shape. You've also got a smaller circle if you wanted to put the pupil into the eye, die cut that from black, you can do that too. But just pop that on there, remove the glue. And what I tend to like to do, rather than die cutting a piece of black, I tend to just come in with a pen, and you can put a nice big black iris in there, or pupil rather, in there for him. So then there's your turtle and your whale. Both of them, they can work together, they can work separately on your card, but both created using the paper pack and the die shapes as well.